I recently received an interesting question from engineer Michael Bishop, who's well known for his work in the classical field. He had done a number of intensive edits on a particular track, and he wanted to retain those edits, but he needed to replace the actual audio file underneath, and he was looking for an easy way to do this. And we could do this quite easily with a little trick. So let's say if I've done some edits here where I've erased a portion of the audio file in the timeline, or I've chosen a different start position for the audio event, and now we may also want to keep the same exact processing capabilities for plugins and EQs, aux, inserts. So I'm going to select my alternate file from my media bay on the right-hand side, and I'm going to drag it over and hold down the left mouse button and then hold down the shift key and then release. And I'll get this window asking if I want to modify all the events that refer to that same audio material. I'm going to choose all, and as we do that, now the new file has been overlaid and all of the edits that we had were just carried directly over. So you could see how in very intensive editing situations, this could really be a time saver. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to like the video and to subscribe to the channel.